This is a 17 by 11 inch magnetic erase board. And it also comes with these 6 dry erase markers too. How beautiful are these? And a really nice feature is it is magnetic, so you're able to put it on top of your refrigerator or dishwasher, and that way you'll be able to know what's going on or to write a shopping list. Now, another nice feature is these are flexible as well as cuttable too. So with scissors, you can easily cut it to fit the desired length that you need. And it also comes with these markers. And what's really nice about these markers, they're magnetic too. So all you have to do is put it on your refrigerator and it will stick to it. How perfect is that? Now let me show you the different colors that it comes in. So these are the 6 different colors it comes in. Red, green, black, purple, orange, and blue too. And let me write on it so you can see how well it works. Plus, it also has an eraser on the tip too. Perfect. They also have a nice fine tip, and it's also going to be erasable too. So here's the different colors that it comes in. Let me show it to you up close so you can see it. Here's a close-up of the colored markers. And these are what the markers look like, and they also have a magnet on the back so you can hang it up on your refrigerator. And here's a close-up of the tip. And look how easy it is to erase. Beautiful. And as you can see, it does not leave any streaks or a smudge. I was sent this set from Kedudes and I love it. So useful. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.